What if your light only turned on when you press two buttons at the same time? Let's build an AND switch and explore logic circuits. So far, every switch you have built turns on the light when you press any one switch. The AND switch works differently. In a logic circuit, the flow of electricity represents yes and no. When the light is on, it means yes or true. When the light is off, it means no or false. If you place two switches one after the other in series, in a single loop, like beads on a thread, you have to press both switches at the same time to turn on the light. This is called a logical AND because you need switch A and switch B pressed together to complete the circuit. If you press only one switch, there is still an open gap somewhere in the loop. Electrons can't flow and the light stays off. Let's grab your materials and build it. You will need one Launchpad LED, one Launchpad battery, conductive tape, two binder clips, two clear yellow stickers, and a pair of scissors. Stick conductive tape over the first red line, then the blue line, and switch. Then stick tape over the remaining red lines. You can use scrap pieces trimmed from long pieces for switch contacts. Place the Launchpad LED over the footprint. Tape the Launchpad LED in place using the clear yellow stickers and tape over each pad. Place the Launchpad battery over the matching battery footprint and clip the battery in place. Cut along the bold black lines to create your two switch flaps, switch A and switch B. Now press both switch A and switch B at the same time. The light turns on. Try pressing only one at a time and notice that the light stays off. Flip to the next page and complete the scene with your own drawing. What happens when you only press both square buttons? Share your creation with us using hashtag Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.